Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to tell you about offline terrain. In the last video, I explained online terrain. If you have not seen that video, the link is in the description, you can check it out. So today, I will explain offline terrain and how you can use it from the controller. Let's talk about the difference between online terrain and offline terrain. In Surveyaan, the choice between online and offline terrain determines how the drone understands ground elevation during a mission. In online terrain, we need to generate the TF file for each and every flight. And in offline terrain, we create the OTF file once, and then we can take multiple flights in the same area. Now, we will go through the controller and see how you can use offline terrain. First, you have to click on the offline terrain option. It will show the terrain generation option. There are 3 ways to generate the offline terrain file. 1. Manual coordinates. 2. KML upload. 3. Current location. In manual coordinates, you need to manually enter the latitude and longitude of the surveying area. In KML upload, you need to select the KML file and extend its boundary to generate the OTF file. In current location, it will take the current location of the controller. Now we will look how to generate OTF using KML upload option. Now you have to click on the KML option, and then you have to select the KML file. After that, extend the boundary of the polygon, and then swipe to generate the OTF file. Click on Yes. After clicking on Yes, it collects the terrain data of the polygon. Then after it finished, it asks for the file name. If you click on Yes, then you can give custom file name. Otherwise, file name will be system generated. Then file will be saved in the download folder. Now connect to the drone using drone Wi-Fi. Then you have to click on the third option in the bottom left corner. After clicking on that, you have to select the OTF upload option and then select your OTF file. Next, click on the plus icon, select General Land Survey and then the KML, and then click on Terrain Adaptive. After selecting Terrain Adaptive, choose Offline Terrain. When you select offline terrain, the OTF file should be already uploaded in the background, which we have done earlier. One more thing, when you click on the 5th option from the bottom left and then click on Legend, you will be able to see the meaning of the symbols on the map. Then you can set the flight parameters. Before swipe to fly, please make sure to arm the drone. After that, you can swipe to fly. Also, before the flight, make sure that the home location and flight path are within the OTF boundary polygon. So guys, this is how you can use the offline terrain following feature in Surveyaan drone. Thank you so much for watching this video.